Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrator access, and you should record the current DNS so you can revert if needed. Once done, open your network adapter settings on the device you want to change, find IP4 properties, and switch from automatic to manual DNS. You will type 8 as primary and 4 as secondary. Make sure to save, close the dialog, and restart the interface so the new addresses are applied immediately. This speeds verification. Next, you move to your router if you want whole network coverage. Log into the router admin page and replace the WAN or DHCP DNS entries with the Google addresses so every device receives them automatically. If you use IP6, add 2001, 4860, 4860, 8888, and 2001, 4860, 4860, 8840. Finally, verify that you succeeded. Flush the DNS cache on your device, then run nslookup or dig specifying server 8 to confirm query's resolve. If you see no response, try another device to isolate whether the problem is local or network-wide, and consider enabling DNS over HTTPS or DNS over TLS in your browser or router if your ISP blocks port 53. If connectivity degrades, revert to the original settings you recorded earlier. This quickly restores service while you investigate further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.